Leveling surveyors in Indirapuram are professionals who play a crucial role in the construction industry. They are responsible for measuring and determining the elevations of different points on a construction site, ensuring that the project is built on a level surface. These surveyors use various tools and equipment such as levels, theodolites, and DGP systems to accurately measure and record the elevations of different points. One of the key tasks performed by leveling surveyors in Indirapuram is establishing a benchmark or reference point from which all other elevations on the site are measured. This benchmark is typically a fixed point with a known elevation, such as a permanent marker or a specific point on the ground. By using this benchmark, the surveyors can ensure that all other measurements are precise and consistent throughout the project. Another important task of leveling surveyors in Indirapuram is creating contour maps. Contour maps show the elevation of the land in a two-dimensional format, using contour lines to represent different elevations. These maps are vital for understanding the topography of the site and for designing drainage systems, roads, and other infrastructure elements. Leveling surveyors use their measurements to accurately plot these contour lines and create detailed maps that are essential for effective planning and construction. SCON design is another aspect that leveling surveyors in Indirapuram may be involved in. SCON design refers to the placement and installation of sconces, which are decorative wall-mounted light fixtures. These fixtures can add aesthetic appeal to a building's exterior or interior and require careful positioning and alignment. Leveling surveyors may work closely with architects, designers, and electricians to ensure that the sconces are placed at the correct height and angle to achieve the desired lighting effect. In Indirapuram, leveling surveyors are experts that are essential to the construction sector. They are in charge of measuring and figuring out the elevations of various sites on a construction site to make sure the building is constructed on a level surface. These surveyors correctly measure and record the heights of various sites using a variety of tools and equipment, including levels, theodolites, and DGP systems. The establishment of a benchmark or reference point from which all other elevations on the site are measured is one of the primary responsibilities carried out by leveling surveyors in Indirapuram. Usually, this benchmark is a fixed place with a known elevation, such a monument or a particular spot on the ground. The surveyors can make sure that all other measurements are accurate and consistent throughout the project by using this benchmark. Making contour maps is a crucial responsibility for leveling surveyors in Indirapuram. The elevation of the land is depicted on contour maps in a two-dimensional style using contour lines to represent various elevations. These maps are necessary for constructing drainage systems, roadways, and other infrastructure components as well as for comprehending the topography of the location. These contour lines are precisely plotted by leveling surveyors using their measurements to produce comprehensive maps